What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. You might be familiar with my voice, but I'm also working with Investlo as an exclusive partner and a market analyst. So if you join Investlo, you're going to get the daily analysis on official Telegram channel of Investlo, and you're going to also get these regular updates here on the Investlo YouTube channel. And you're going to get lots of other benefits if you join Investlo with a link in the description. You will also get an access to Investlo webinars, which you will be notified in advance. So make sure you subscribe, join Telegram channel of Investlo to receive daily market updates. So starting with gold. And before I continue, I want to give you a disclaimer. Make sure you watch the disclaimer that was shown at the start of the video, and nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice, just my opinion and just for educational purpose. Now gold has nicely pushed down from this double top right here that was expected. What I'm expecting from gold. Now, normally the price come back to retest the neckline that has been formed exactly here. As you can see, these numbers in blue. That can be adjusted as well, but for now that is a neckline. Now, if you start to see a pullback and the retest of this neckline, then you will see another fall from here. But my signal will be after a retest, price must form a bearish engulfing pattern. So that is something I'm expecting from gold if there is a pullback. So we'll see how that goes. And I'm also looking at the retest of this recent anchor, which is right here. These numbers, price might push down, then push up. From a bearish signal, it might push down. So that is a bearish scenario here on gold. For the bullish scenario, if the price keep on pushing up and break above the neckline, then we will be bullish short term till the recent structure, which is right here, that can form a triple top, and if broken above, we'll see a further trend continuation. So keep an eye here on these patterns, this minor support, a neckline, and the break as well for the trading opportunities. That's it for the quick update. Hope you got a value, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.